Good morning. It's expected to be a cracking Tuesday. The futures were earlier suggesting a lift of 0.6% after records were broken overnight on the commodity and equity front. Now, on the equity front, Apple shares jumped over 2% high to a record high after unveiling the latest version of iOS, its mobile operating system. And Apple also announced its future Macs will use their chips instead of Intel. Now, shares linked to the economic reopening also rallied like Gap and Walmart, making gains after brokers upgraded their stocks, saying that they were undervalued. The Dow rose 0.6%, helped by Apple and Microsoft gains, and the S&P 500 rose 0.7%, while the Nasdaq, the showstopper, up 1.1%. Now, on the commodity front, an exceptional day was seen on the oil front as it rose over $40 a barrel for the first time since March. Gold also hit a one-month high, $1,764, and the iron ore price last traded steady at 103, while the copper price lifted 1.7%. So what to watch today? Well, following the oil price uptrend, I'd be watching energy companies like Santos, STO, which has the least debt compared to its peers, as well as Woodside Petroleum, WPL, which has a lot of headroom for acquisitions down the track. Now, for the copper price moving higher, I'd watch BHP and Oz Minerals, OZL. And on the economic front today, flash manufacturing and services numbers are out for June. The market is expecting manufacturing activity will have improved this month to a reading still in contractionary phase, but nevertheless pushing ahead to a reading of 49.3. Now to three local trading ideas. Well, UBS upgraded James Hardie Industries, JHX, their price target to $34, saying the building company is a key standout following earnings upgrades and better than expected US sales in the first 6 weeks of this quarter. For UBS, JHX is a buy. Meanwhile, Citi also maintained its buy position on James Hardie. Now, Ramelius Resources, a smaller company, RMS, was rated as a buy by Shaw & Partners, whereas UBS's preferred gold pick is Independence Group, IGO, expecting IGO's shares to rocket up to $6, given the gold price is also tipped to reach $2,000 an ounce in the not too distant future. And lastly, on the property front, Citi has put out a note on Stockland Group, SGP, following the CEO's retirement and after the company announced that the estimated second half dividend came in at 10.6 cents. Now, that was 25% below the guidance levels provided by the company. Now, Citi expects Stockland will have further downside. Now, for this reason, Citi still prefers Mirvac MGR for the residential exposure and Goodman Group for commercial and industrial property. I'm Jessica Rabir with Bell Direct. Have a great day. Happy trading.